So building a relationship, right? Everybody always says, especially multifamily real estate, it's all about building the relationships and networking. Other than actually closing deals with you, right? That's probably the easiest way to build a relationship. What else can somebody do? Like, what is there any, I guess maybe referring you to somebody that might be thinking about listing a property that can maybe get your attention? I don't know.
100%, right? Like, look, this business, it's a give and take, right? You guys make your money when you buy the deal. We make our money when we sell the deal. So anything that you can kind of do to help us get in front of somebody that we might not already know that ideally owns something, and I don't want to say it's another cliche thing, but it's buyers are kind of a dime a dozen, right? I mean, especially now and now you can have better buyers. Like right now, finding like an aggressive buyer is of course important because it's hard to get deals done. But when the market was hot, I mean, we could get 10, 20, 30 offers on a deal, right? So
Yep.
to your George's question, how do you differentiate yourself? And it's to me, it's that transparency. I'm not, and we're not every broker is cut from the same cloth. So I can't answer this for everybody, but it's kind of just like that human side of it, right? Finding out what is of interest to the human, right? Forget about me being a broker, but like I'm a human. So like I go to Mavs games, right? But I have a wife and kids. So my social life is not the same as a lot of the people on my team who aren't married with kids. So they'd probably be like, hey, let's go out, have happy hour, whatever. I can't do that every night, right? I got to get home or my wife's going to be on my ass. My social life is one Mavs game a week, kind of on average, right? Because I have tickets and I go, and that's what I like to do. But like whoever you're approaching, and I'm the team lead, so I kind of already have a lot of established relationships, right, with George and Eric and kind of others. Um, it's really kind of working. I would say kind of some of the other brokers on my team, depending on the territory, right? So if you're saying, hey, I want to get in with DFW, well, I've got Andrew Mueller, Sterling, Hugo, Jack, so some of those others who haven't been in the business. I've been doing this for, 11 and a half years. I think if you want to reach out to me and ask like, hey, who should I be talking to? I'm interested in these territories. I'll tell you, right? Just kind of ask the questions. But then after you connect with that person, figure out what they like to do.